find their way. Birds use the sun, stars, and Earth's magnetic field. In India, many migratory birds like flamingos and Siberian cranes arrive during winter. There are different types of migration: long distance, short distance, and altitudinal. However, migratory birds face threats like pollution, climate change, and habitat loss. These birds help maintain ecological balance and act as indicators of environmental health. Protecting them means protecting our planet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.